Got some camera cleaning gear to look at today. This was sent in via VSGO or VS-GO, whichever you prefer. This kit that I'm unboxing now is the A2E, and this includes what they call an imp air blower, which is quite a nice premium feel, soft silicone on the outside. The tip on this is also soft, as you can see there, it bends around. You'll notice the collar there with the vents cut into it, that's for the filtered air so no dust gets into it. What makes this a bit different to some of the other air blowers that I've looked at is there's a weight inside at the bottom. There's your 300 plus hours of design testing, but it does feel nice. Do quite like the finishing on this. It's more compact compared to the rocket blower, but it isn't as powerful. That's just one area to note. Probably powerful enough though. I haven't had any problems using it. They also give you a lens cleaning cloth with that in the box. We move on to the main items now. These are in the largest box. This has the pouch inside. This is what you call a thin fabric pouch with a Velcro fastening on the side. Smooth on one side, and on the other side it has that mesh effect where you can sort of see the items inside at least a bit. Inside the pouch you can see there's two elasticated compartments there. I'll show you the items in a second. On the right hand side we have the packets with the lens cloth and wipes. On the first item, that's a brush. We have sort of a lipstick size really, and you can just extend that out, take the cap off. Perhaps one of the advantages with that design is the fact it retracts, helps keep the bristles in good shape, and they are quite thick. You can definitely see that this is more of a premium brush. When you finish with that, you can just push it up, then put the lid back on. No complaints at all with that brush. It does a very nice job of picking up small debris and dust. Onto the lens cleaning solution, you will notice that they do have a little caution or warning there, not to spray onto the lens directly. Often these lens cleaning solutions are just distilled water. There's not usually much else in there other than that. Just take the cap off the top. You'll notice you can rotate the head around, and it also unscrews, so you can refill this later on with your own lens cleaning solution if you want to. Next up, I will show you the packets that are included with this, and they are a combination. We have dust-free cotton swabs and microfiber lens cleaning cloths. All of these are sealed in the packet, and the microfiber cloths, they're quite small, 10 by 10 centimeters, but that's plenty big enough for cleaning a lens or binoculars or glasses or anything like that. You can also reuse these as well, just rinse them out and dry them. Onto the dust-free cotton swabs, 2 in each pack. When I open that up, you'll see they have cotton pointed tips. And what that means is they are quite useful for getting into very small areas where you wouldn't normally be able to clean. You can use these wet or dry. I find that with the wet could be quite useful if you've got very dirty areas, cleaning around switches, dials, buttons, things like that. The smaller pack that's included with the kit includes 5 wet wipes, and again, just open up, rip open the top, and they're a bit bigger, these ones, around about 15 by 11 centimeters. I'd use these for cleaning on the exterior, things like the body and grips of cameras, also on lenses. The company also sent some of their sensor swabs, so I'll just show you that very quickly. You have a choice on these: full frame, APS-C, medium format, and they also do micro 4/3. In this pack there are 10 swabs. They're sealed, single use, so once you finish with those, you should just dispose of them. I have bought some items from this company in the past myself. I did buy the APS-C cleaning kit, and I changed the packaging a bit, but the items are pretty much the same from what I can see. I've never had any problems with their swabs. I've always found them to be decent quality. I did do a quick video on how to clean a sensor, so I will put a link to that at the end of the video. Nothing wrong at all with this sensor cleaning fluid. Seems to be perfectly fine. Main thing to note is don't put too much sensor fluid onto the swab. It takes longer to dry, and that's where you can get marks on the sensor. Hopefully that will give you an idea of what to expect or what's included with this kit. Do check out the links down below. That will take you to the different products that the company does. And thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.